Hi and welcome back to Days Well Spent. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make our ultimate minestrone soup. You're going to need carrots, onions, olive oil, red pepper flakes, pesto, white beans, pasta, tomatoes, zucchini, vegetable broth, thyme, garlic, and celery. You're going to boil your pasta, drain it, and set it aside. Now it's time to go ahead and press or mince the garlic. You could use a knife or a garlic press. Chop up your onion. I like to chop ours fairly fine. You could use a food processor or a vegetable chopper for all of the vegetables. Chop your celery. And I like to keep my celery and carrot pieces about the same size. It makes cooking a lot faster and easier. Chop up your zucchini. You could use a yellow squash in place of the zucchini, or half zucchini, half yellow squash. Now it's time to chop the parsley. I like to use flat leaf parsley from our garden. You want to cut off the stems and then chop up the leaves. Now for the carrot, you could do circles or half moons, either way. You want the slices of your carrot to be similar to the zucchini. Now we're going to add olive oil to our hot pan, add in the garlic, the onions. We're going to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Add in your carrots, celery, cook for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Add in your fire roasted tomatoes, fresh thyme, bay leaves, and the vegetable broth. Now we're going to stir it, place on the lid, and simmer for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to add in the white beans, the zucchini, the parsley, salt and pepper to taste, red pepper flakes, and simmer for about 15 minutes. Then add in the cooked pasta, stir it to make sure everything's combined and well, serve with top pesto, and enjoy! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. You can get the full printable recipe at dayswellspent.com. There'll be a link down in the description below.